Hi, it's Debbie from the Ossining Public Library Children's Room. Welcome back to I Heart Art Junior. This week we're going to learn to make our own Play-Doh from scratch. This DIY Play-Doh is so much fun to make, and it's so easy too. Kids will love the stirring, the mixing, and the kneading, and the playing when it's all finished. You probably have many of these ingredients at home, so here's what you'll need. You need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 3/4 of a cup of salt, 4 teaspoons cream of tartar, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 2 cups of lukewarm room temperature water. Food coloring is optional. It depends on whether you want your Play-Doh to be colored or not, and quart-sized storage bags. Stir together the flour, salt, and cream of tartar in a large pot. Next, add the water and the oil. If you're only making one color Play-Doh, this is the time to add the colors in. If you're going to have more than one color, we'll add the colors in later. Stir them together. Now you're going to cook all of the ingredients together over medium heat, stirring constantly. As long as you're watching carefully, this is a fun activity for kids to do. Keep stirring until the dough has thickened and begins to form a ball. Once the dough has formed a ball, you're going to remove the pot from the heat. Let this cool slightly and then remove it from the pot onto a piece of wax paper or something else that some other work surface you're going to work on. Knead the dough until smooth. Again, this is a really fun activity for kids to do. Once you've kneaded the dough until it's smooth, you're going to divide it into balls. You want one for each color Play-Doh that you want to make. Then you're going to make a little well and drop about 5 drops of food coloring in each one. If you want it to be brighter, you can add more. Carefully place each ball of dough with the food coloring in it inside the plastic bag and close. You're going to knead the dough to mix the color inside the bag so that the color does not stain your hands. Keep mixing it until it's completely mixed in. And that's all. Now your child can enjoy it and make whatever they want from their Play-Doh. Kept in the sealed plastic bag, it should stay soft for about 3 months. I'd love to see your creations. Please share pictures. You can either post them on the library's Facebook page, or you can email them to us at oplkids@wlsmail.org. And don't forget to check our website, www.ossininglibrary.org, for all of our summer programs and our past videos and other programs that we've posted, and also for information about our summer reading program. See you next week.